what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Nature Notes. So, today we are studying vegetative propagation. It is a type of asexual reproduction occurring in plants. The new plants grow from a fragment of parent plant or specialized reproductive structure. Many plants naturally reproduce this way, but it can also be induced artificially. The vegetative reproduction reproductive structures include root, stem, and leaves. Root, stem, and leaves. The vegetative propagation is genetic clones of parent plant. A major advantage of vegetative propagation is that by this process desired characteristics can be retained. Different type of vegetative propagation. It involves the development of new plant from a part of single mature plant. The new plant grows and develops naturally without human intervention. Vegetative propagation may take place in several ways. Examples are as under. Bulb. These are solid parts of the underground stem called the bulb that is surrounded by layers of fleshy scale-like leaves. These leaves are a source of food storage and provide nourishment for new plant that develop from bulbs are onions, daffodils, lilies, and tulips, corms. These are enlarged bulb-like underground stem. These vegetative structures stores nutrients in fleshy solid stem which are surrounded by silk-like leaves. Plants that develop from combs include crocus, gladiolus, and garlic. Tumbers. These are vegetative organs that may develop from stem or root. Stem trouble arises from rhizomes or runners that become slow from storing nutrients. Potatoes are the sample of stem trouble. Root tubers originate from roots that have been modified to store nutrients. These roots become enlarged and may give rise to new plant. Sweet potato is the example of root tuber. Suck- Suckers. These are plant shoots that arise from bud on underground roots and stem. A number of shrubs and trees propagate through suckers. That is apple trees, cherries, trees, bananas trees, roses, etc. Rhizome. Rhizome or root stalk is a type of stem situated either at the soil surface above ground rhizome or inside soil underground rhizomes. The rhizome contains nodes from which roots and shoots originate. The primary function of rhizome is the storage of nutrients and provide support to avail parts of plants. However, rhizomes are also source of vegetative propagation. The example of underground rhizome include ginger, oak, grass, grass species, and bamboo, while above ground rhizome include ferns and irises, a group of flowering plant. Artificial vegetative propagation. Farmers frequent use artificial vegetative propagation to increase the stalk of plant. These include grafting, cutting, layering, and micropropagation. Grafting is in grafting, two plant species are used. In this process, part of stems of desirable plant is grafted onto a rooted plant called the stalk. The part that is grafted is called sicon. Both are cut out at an oblique angle placed in close contact with each other and are then held together. The vascular system of both the plants grow and fuse, forming a graft. After a period of time, sicon start bearing flowers and fruit. Grafting is widely used in roses, horticulture, grapes growing, and citrus almond plants. Stem cutting in process. A portion of stem cutting nodes and internodes is placed in moist soil and allowed to roots. In some species, stem can start producing root even when placed in water. That is, leaves of African violets, the metal is used for surgeons, roses, and money plants.